Christmas. I'm Mr. Isabella Dugu, a science teacher, and of course, the defending champion.
Merry Christmas! Ang sandamento ng tapo, mabuhay and God bless.
Sir, send the email Christmas of Kapro National School.
Okay, good morning to everyone. From the land of no return, I am the king, King Gibbon. I'm a teacher from grade 10, Tres Patas, Kagamitan, King Gibbon.
Next, Spanish we have Sir Omar of Line.
Okay, good morning, Kapo National High School. I am Roman Robalin. Kaping San Pedro kasi walang manok. Pakilain yan. Merry Christmas, tol.
Next, for the category, we have Sir Ben Maynay.
Okay, Merry Christmas. So, wala akong masabi. So, I'm very nagkakalay. As you can see, may nang star sa likod. Hindi ko alam kung anong gamit ito. Ewan ko ba? So, ito, ano ko? Kabubot. Okay, so, Merry Christmas ulit. Yun lang.